mid-story, understory shrubs, vines, ground covers. It's all pumping symbiotically. It's all living together and being super productive by photosynthesizing. It's like,
You have a lot of
So, welcome in here. There's a bunch of pawpaws. They're all grafted. They're all different cultivars in here. We've been harvesting heavy, so there's still some fruits, but we've harvested a lot already from it. Lots of willows. I'm crazy about willows. Willows are ancient. With human species, willows and humans are important. So you'll see a lot of stuff here. Nanking bush cherries, more gummies, medlar as you come in. Lots of jujubes. Chinese dates are awesome. Jujubes rock. American persimmons, a couple of grafted American persimmons in the top zone. I've got a ton. We have a persimmon festival in the future because I got so many grafted American persimmons on this property. Autumn olives are down here on the right, and you always want to get the softest, most mature ones. They're super medicinal, very tart, makes the perfect margarita. Like you don't have to add anything to it because it's sweet and tart, and maybe a little tacky at the end. There's a golden one too, which I don't think is quite ready, but if you're welcome to eat those berries. Keep your hands off my pawpaws though. It's my fondling. And food forests are a great way to start that journey, so I encourage you to go for it. And thank you for being here today. Enjoy yourselves, walk around, check it all out.